Should I speak like natives? The answer is no, my friend. No, completely no. You don't have to speak like natives because you are a newbie and you're just learning the language. You have just started to learn the language. So why you are just thinking I have to speak like natives? Don't do it, my friend. You don't do it. Whatever your accent is, from wherever you are belong, just try to speak the way you wanted to speak, not the other country peoples, how they are speaking. I want to speak like them. You want to speak like American English or British English, you won't be able to speak because they are different culture, different accent they speak, their pronunciation is completely different. And if you try to copy the pronunciation the way they speak, you will give up at a certain point of time. Yes, my friend, you will give up because you don't know that their accent has grown up when they were child, when they were very small. Since then they have been speaking on that way. Why you trying to copy them? Just don't do it. At the beginning you don't do it because it's not necessary, my friend. It's not necessary. You just be normal, speak normal English the way you want and the way you can. Just speak on that way, whatever accent it may be, whoever you like. If you like anybody, any celebrity, anyone, any YouTuber, if you like my accent, just try to speak like me. What's wrong with that? Or anybody who just speaks in English, just try to focus on your speaking part, not accent, pronunciation. All these things you will learn gradually. But at the beginning, if you are thinking I want to speak like British English or American English, whatever it may be, how I can be like this or that, don't do it. Just try to speak in English. And one thing, my friend, American English and British English completely different. The way their words, everything is completely different. So don't try to just which language in which accent I should speak. Don't think about that. Start your speaking journey. Speak and speak. Gradually your pronunciation will be also correct, your accent will be also correct, and you can make another accent. You can try to find out which accent you are comfortable with, and then you can enhance. But now you are a newbie, don't think all this thing. Just try to speak. Just speak a lot. That is the golden rule actually to learn any language. Beginning time, if you follow all this thing like about accent, about pronunciation, if you just go there, then you'd find that you're not able to speak because pronunciation is completely different. Even the word pronunciation, some people say pronunciation. So what's wrong with that? If you are a newbie, what's wrong with that? You can make mistake, make 1,000 million times mistakes, but speak, understand. Just try to speak day by day. It's gonna be correct. You need patience. You must have to have that thing. You have to be very, very patient and consistency. Because without consistency, who can achieve, my friend, anything in life? Even your English goal also. You can't achieve it like that. If you are just excited within 3 months, 2 months, I'm gonna improve my accent, it's never gonna happen. You have to put efforts into it. You have to put regular basis. You have to do something at least for 6 months to 1 year. Just take my word, my friend. Just take my word, because it's never gonna happen within 3 days. If you are excited that yes, I'm gonna improve my accent, my pronunciation within 1 month, 1 week, it's never gonna happen. Just forget to learn English and do well in your life. Just forget it, because I know it how it takes to learn a different language. So my friend, at last, that is what I want to say. Please don't focus on accent, pronunciation at the beginning. Just try to speak and speak.